What's up, guys? It's Mr. Awesome, and today is day 3 of fishing every day of spring until I catch fish. Sorry that I haven't been posting. It has been storming and got really muddy, and yeah, wasn't able to film for a bit, and then I had other stuff to do. But got some water in the boat. I should do one of the videos where I fish off of the boat. It's been about, I don't know, some time since I last posted. But I'm gonna show you. My GoPro died and I lost all the footage, so I'm using a Lucky crankbait. This is also take 2. It won't stop moving. This is my Lucky crankbait, and I think that it catches me a lot of fish. No, I lost it in the pond. Found it over there a few weeks later. So, lucky me, I get it back. It's probably going to be about 10-15 minute video. But, let's get to fishing. Make sure nothing stops me. First cast for the video. Oh, that was scary. I don't want to fall in. So if you don't know what I'm doing, I'm fishing every day of spring. Well, the days that I can. Oh! Was that a log or was that a fish? There's a lot of movement right there. So I'm fishing, and I'm going to be catching bass first, then probably crappie and catfish, or something after. But I think tomorrow I'm going to use live bait. Hey, why are you running over here? It's my area. I don't really care what I catch. I just want at least today. Really, my territory? This is my area. No, this is my area. Says me. You see me fishing over here? So leave me alone. I know, there's a few fish. I was walking over here, and a huge fish took off. Looked like a bass. Oh! No, that was a fish. I tried the same area. That's a fish. Yeah. Oh, and dude, you're in my territory. See where my bait is? So, whenever I catch the bass, I'm going to get a picture of myself holding it. And that's going to be my picture for YouTube. Profile picture.
I got a picture of myself holding the bass already. Tell them what happened to my TikTok for no reason.
Oh yeah, his TikTok account got banned. Hey! That's my area!
Okay, well tell them why it got banned.
I don't know.
Okay. Well, I'll go over there after I finish this.
No, you just tell me and I'll say it. I think, oh yeah, it was a comment on one of your videos saying that you were too young.
Okay. So I have this video on my TikTok account. I was asking my followers if I should start a YouTube account, a fishing one. Okay, and this guy commented. He said that I'm too young, and that I shouldn't.
Hey, move so I can cast.
Or TikTok. And then that was yesterday too. And then today I go on to TikTok. Oh, well, your account's banned for being too young. So I got reported. I've had that account since 2021.
I've had my account for...
I had since 2020, and then deleted because I wasn't, because I didn't want it.
5 minutes in? Okay. I'm good with 5 minutes in, but I at least want to make this video about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minute mark is probably going to be where I end the video. Oh no, most times I don't. Like day 1 and 2, I didn't edit anything out. It was perfectly fine to upload. Once in a while, just not every day. Yeah, I'm like once every like 3 months I'm gonna upload a gaming video. Probably Fishing Planet. So I'm mainly basing this, not basing, but making this channel fishing. Oh! 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 I caught something! I caught something!
Okay, your audience is being excited.
I caught something.
It's pointing down.
No, it's enough for them to see. Okay, guys, want to see what I caught today? A spectral leaf. Piece of... What did I say? It's getting kind of cold out here. Perfect temperature. It was perfect temperature when we came down here for bass. I'm using this topwater that can go for like 12 inches deep. I think it goes about like 5 inches. I know, it can dive under. That hit hard. Percent is GoPro at. Okay, it's good percent. 7 minutes in. Oh. That was deep diving. Oh, I caught something. No, no. They can't see yet. They can't see. It could be a fish. Okay. It might be a stick. But, don't want to keep you guys waiting. It's another leaf. He went up, I think. Jeez, stop. Yeah. I almost struck myself in the side of the face. It flew right by my face. Let's recast that. I want a stick. I just want to catch a stick. Hey, crankbait. Catch it. Catch it. Nope, crankbait. So, guys, I'm in the process of saving up money to buy probably a used dirt bike. Nah. I want to buy a dirt bike or a four-wheeler and make not just that, but I want to start getting into the riding videos. I also caught another leaf. So far, I'll count that 2 leaves and a thing. I want this. How did I catch a stick? I know, but those won't be good videos. Piece of bark or something? Algae? No, I just want like a little dirt bike. Hey, you know what would be good videos? Dirt bike tag. Or riding the trails. What? Oh, those would be good videos. No, it isn't. All kinds of people make those videos. Oh, so you want that on. What, you want to see who can cast the farthest? Oh, so you want to get... Okay, I'll show you. That was farther than you went. Is it still recording? Yeah, we're at 11 minutes. These fishing videos are gonna probably go up to like the top amount minutes to like 15. $11. I was at 11:26 seconds when I just looked. 11 minutes, 26 seconds. Let me cast down the side where the fish was. No, where the fish were is my territory. Do a little side casting over there. If I get stuck, that will suck. But I don't make these videos to make money off of them. I make them just out of fun. Make videos that people will watch. These are my viewers, not yours. These are my viewers, not yours. Why don't you just make a channel and start uploading? But where are you going to upload with? Your phone? Because you don't have... That was the worst cast ever. Well, I got an off-brand one that works perfectly fine because I'm not wanting to pay $8,000 for an actual one. Yeah, it's expensive. I bought this thing for $50 on Amazon. Works perfectly fine. I'm making the best videos ever. About the flashlight. We're 13 minutes in. I haven't caught anything but leaves. If you guys made it this far in the video, comment bass in the put bass in the comments. All caps, hashtag bass. BASS in all caps. Hashtag bass. Huh, I heard something. That was like a nuclear bomb hitting the water. I think he's getting hooked up with a thing. Here, I guess I'll pull out the little pliers. Kind of looks like a mini butterfly knife. I need to see that. Mini butterfly knife. I know, multi-tool. Got some knives and stuff on it. I got it from Kendall Gray's survival kit. Someone's coming down the road. Oh, it's the neighbors. Just the neighbors. Oh shoot, I'm 15 minutes in. I'm probably gonna end the video here and try to get it uploaded tonight. This is the last cast for the day. And then I'm packing up and I'm going to eat because I'm hungry. There's a little bottom dragging. I'm just trying my best to make videos. Hoping you guys will like them. That is scary. Trying to avoid the water. Soon I'm going to get this boat cleaned up and working because I just need a boat that I can fish off of. That's all I need. And I got this all tangled up. I don't even care. It's just the top treble hook. That'll be an easy fix. And give a little line out so I can I just need to hook it up and get ready to go up because I'm not missing out on dinner. And tomorrow I'm not missing out on church. So if you don't get a video tomorrow, that's why. That's there. Check what time I'm at. 17 minutes. I gotta get wrapped up. Can I see myself good? I can see myself good. But, make sure. I don't think this light's gonna work. Set it right on top. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video.